From ancient Rome to modern New York, the image that the mind conjures up at the mention of the names of these famous cities are that of buildings. Buildings that have withstood the ravages of time and nature. Buildings that have quenched creative thirst and satiated artistic desires. The essence of building technology thus lies in translating artistic vision through a scientific process. In the recent past, Renatus Projects Private Limited have been ever so quietly yet dexterously building and delivering quality landmark structures that have visibly caught the public eye and won them the epithet of being builders with a difference. Renatus Projects Private Limited have made a name and carved a niche for themselves in the construction industry, sharing the limelight alongside giants in this arena. It all began nearly 7 decades ago with Mr. Palaniyappa Goundar, who constructed the old railway station at the E Road Junction during the pre-independence British regime. His illustrious son, Mr. R.P. Pusappa Goundar, followed his footsteps, taking the baton forward and founding the RPP group of companies in 1988. Mr. R.P. Selvasundaram, the present chairman and managing director of Renatus Projects Private Limited as it is known today, took over the reins in 2005, and under his able stewardship, futuristic vision and dedicated passion to the construction business, the company scaled new heights and is today accorded a star status in the construction industry.
When I took over this business in 1987, I was passionate about buildings. I had a dream to change the face of the business. In 25 years, we have achieved what I have dared to dream.
One of the principal tasks that Mr. Selvasundaram undertook was to transform the business to a full-fledged corporate infrastructure company with core business values and principles, firmly entrenched systems and practices, and run by professionals. As a first step, Mr. C.K. Venkatachalam, a B.Tech from the reputed PSG College of Technology, a young civil engineering professional, was appointed as executive director of the company.
The biggest challenge was introducing change. Change occurred and we owe our success to change.
The new company was rechristened Renatus Projects Private Limited in total identification with the company's goals on a wider canvas. Mrs. Padmini Sundaram was co-opted as the executive director of finance, and the portfolios of finance and general administration were allotted to her. Strong commitment to the work ethic brought about a sea change in the company's fortunes, besides the evolution of a young, spirited and dedicated workforce.
Discipline is the key to our success.
Change became the tool for transformation. New technology and tools replaced the old. Renatus Projects Private Limited became a true corporate entity. The young motivated team swung into action. A record 26 projects were accomplished in a time span of just 5 years. Let us take you through a small tour of the creme de la creme of our structures. The Ampa Skywalk at Amenjigarai in Chennai was conceived to be a state-of-the-art hot contour mall hosting 7,20,000 square feet of shopping space, including multiplexes, elevated floor-wise car parks, shopping galleries, atriums, restaurants, and etc. Its popularity is in itself testimony to the mammoth yet aesthetic work. The Director General of Police office at the Marina was to be built and restored to its original colonial style structure, a work that involved meticulous planning, historical imagination and aesthetic crafting, a true showcasing of the talent of Team RPP. The Police Academy at Vandalur, completed in July 2010, was a massive exercise requiring broad vision, detailed planning and careful execution. The Ambedkar Memorial at Chennai was a coup of sorts to the sheer talent of the RPP team. The Annai Teresa Magalir Valagam at Valluvar Kottam in Chennai, which involved construction of 83,000 square feet of space in 5 floors, including a state-of-the-art auditorium and conference hall, besides an exhibition hall, is another sample of Renatus Project Private Limited's strength in building and delivering quality structures. the Public Work Department's quarters at Saidapet, and the construction at the Stanley Medical College premises showcased the versatility in the repertoire of the building capabilities of Messrs. Renatus Projects Private Limited. Another prestigious project designed by the reputed architect Oscar for the Lawrence School at Lovedale in Ooty was a structure that was to conform and synthesize with the erstwhile structures at the Lawrence School. The architectural style of the British era, which held everyone in awe and appreciation. The Great Bund Wall across the Adyar River for a massive 10-kilometer stretch from Adyar to Thiruvanmiyur at Chennai, and the construction of a bridge across the Kaveri River in Erode only helped reaffirm their competencies. The structures put up at the Salem's Siscol plant and BMM Steel at Hospet were other important works of the RPP team, the Swarna Bhumi project, involving 200 individual villas at Hosur, and the Nakshatra homes, also located at Hosur, where 100 low-cost affordable homes are being built, are just the beginning of this revolutionary concept. The construction of the presidential suite at the Raj Bhavan Chennai affirmed the trust that the government placed in the building capabilities of the RPP team. What is the driving force that inspires the team at Renatus Projects Private Limited to scale such Everestian heights in the building industry? A dedicated management with a strong vision, adoption of modern technology, and a talented workforce. Success comes not merely with men, but with the tools, equipments, and materials that they efficiently employ in their work. Renatus Projects Private Limited owns a whole range of modern equipment and devices that are available at their disposal always, which helps them undertake big projects, build quality structures at very reasonable prices with watertight delivery schedules. Renatus Projects Private Limited is optimistic of crossing the rupees 1000 crore mark in turnover by 2015. They have made a name for themselves as great builders. Builders not merely of buildings, but builders of trust, builders of confidence, and above all, builders of stature. So the next time you see a beautiful building structure that holds you in awe, the name of Messrs. Renatus Projects Private Limited shall come to your mind.